Our vision is to improve the lives of logistics people, and that's not just restricted to the business owners. That includes the people who are working in the warehouse. If they can come to work one day and start using CartonCloud, and that makes their enjoyment with their 9-to-5 job a little bit better, then we're achieving our mission. Last year we opened an office in North America, and our focus is still on continuing to grow and develop in the US and Canada, and it's been a really exciting first 12 months in Canada and the US. The problems we solve for our customers vary because they're all individual and they're all unique, but generally speaking we're removing barriers to them growing and achieving their goals. One of the big things that CartonCloud focus on is that pretty much everyone you speak to, from sales to implementation to support, has worked in logistics. So we wanted people who had operational experience, because one thing that we've found about logistics companies is they want to talk to people who understand and speak their language. Small medium businesses have a different set of requirements to the large players.
We ourselves were an SMB logistics company. It was doing refrigerated warehousing and distribution. We really just needed software to help automate and streamline things in our own company. We couldn't find anything that was available that kind of did both warehousing and transport, so we built something from scratch.
What makes CartonCloud different to our competitors in North America are really three key things. So we have flexible pricing plans that are lower upfront investments for the companies to be able to get up and running on the system, grow with the platform, so it's much easier for them to financially justify the investment into technology. The second one is usability. Our platform is significantly more user-friendly, easier for customers to use, easier for them to train staff. We don't even train their operations staff because it's so intuitive for them to pick up and use the application.
We spent a lot of time trying to make the software as easy to use as possible. A lot of the software on the market, it's huge, it's really complicated, it's super hard to set up.
And ongoing customer success is best in class. Every single piece of our customer review and testimonial material speaks to that, and that is a core reason that we've been able to be as successful as we have. Our real mantra is, are we improving their lives and making them happier? And whether that is family, growth, or just stress.
When we hear those kinds of stories, like I was able to finish at 5 and make it, to this event, I was able to go out for dinner, like they seem like really basic things, but so many people end up sacrificing that stuff because they've just got inefficient operations and they're having to do too much of it themselves because so much of the knowledge is in their heads and they haven't put it into a system that can kind of take all that pain away. When people talk about the time it gave them back to do other stuff that was not work related, that by far gets me the most excited.